Bلکسر interchange, and this is Babe Chakawal. From the Bلکسر interchange, some 18 kilometers east of this place, Chakawal city is located. 18 kilometers from here, from this spot, there is a Chakawal city. Every traffic, either they want to enter Chakawal city or they are making an exit. In both of the cases, they do have to pass under this Babe Chakawal, and it's a beautiful, construction. It looks beautiful, and the Babe Chakawal in the local language mean that it is the gateway to Chakawal city, and it is indeed a gateway to Chakawal city, and which is some 18 kilometers from here. Look at all this traffic, and this traffic, they are all either making an exit from there or they are entering Chakawal city. So it's a Bلکسر interchange area, which is indeed a beautiful spot.